Hi everybody, we're already on week 3 of our learning at home. So I wanted to remind you guys that for our rhyming, I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to repeat the 2 words, and then you're going to give me a thumbs up if you think those words rhyme, and a thumbs down if you don't think they rhyme. Okay, star car. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Star, car, both end with the R sound. Very good. Hi, my. Thumbs up. Hi, my, both end in the I sound. Very good. How, now. Yep. How and now both end with the ow sound. Very good. Big said. I hope you're doing a thumbs down. Big and said do not end the same. Up, down. That's a no. Up and down do not rhyme. Okay. To do our onset fluency, onset is the beginning sound, and I'm going to say 2 words this time that begin with the same sound. I'm going to say those 2 words, and then I'm going to say the beginning sound, and you're going to repeat those 2 words and repeat the beginning sound. So I'm going to say, make my, and you're going to say, make my, and repeat after me, okay? Hot, ham, huh. Time, take, t. Good. Joke, jar, ja. Gate, goes, go. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our words together. Star, fish, starfish. Sun, shine, sunshine. Butter, fly, butterfly. Sky, line, skyline. Jelly, fish, jellyfish. Okay, we're going to do our medial sounds. Remember, medial is the middle sound. Ran, ah. Ed, eh. Good. I. T, op, ah. S, n, Great job. I know that's a new one. You guys did awesome. Okay, get your choppers out. We're going to present the word and then chop it up. You repeat after me. Afternoon, afternoon. Good. Mailbox, mailbox. Rainfall, rainfall. Sunflower, sunflower. Horseback, horseback. Very good. turn the page. We're going to add some words. I'm going to say the word. You repeat it, add it, and make the new word, okay? Sky. Add light to the end, and it makes skylight. Space. Add a ship to the end, makes spaceship. Touch. Add down to the end, makes touchdown. Very good. Tooth. Add brush to the end, makes toothbrush. Sun. Add set to the end, makes sunset. Very good. Now we're going to start with our word. I'm going to say it and you repeat it. We're going to take part of it away, okay? Campfire. Take away fire, what's left? Camp. Good. Jackpot. Take away pot, what's left? Jack. Very good. Sailboat. Take away boat, what's left? Sail. Upstairs. Take stairs away, what's left? Up. Very good. Birthday. Take day away. What's left? Birth. All right. And our nursery rhyme for the week. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I know you guys have heard this one before. I think this is going to be an easy one for you to memorize. So I will see you tomorrow.